analysis. In today's video, we're assessing natural gas. Looking at the daily chart of natural gas, it does appear that we're potentially putting in this inside bar bullish pattern to trend higher. However, I am remaining cautiously on the sidelines right now, and I actually think that nat gas is going to go lower before it has a bigger surge to the upside. Let's just take a look at this long-term trend channel that we've been trading in. I do have an upside target between this 538 and a 581, but nat gas has a tendency to flush people out before it makes bigger surges to the upside. You can clearly see we've been trading in this parallel channel for quite some time. High pivot, low pivot, low pivot, low pivot, high pivot, and I think we're actually going to be heading right back down to this lower boundary trend line in the next few weeks. Really what I'm looking at consists of a 4-hour pattern. I'm going to keep this simple. We had a potential breakout on the 4-hour chart right in this area over here, but it actually failed. Now the thing about failed bullish patterns is they often want to take you lower in price. Since this breakout on the 4-hour and daily chart failed, I think we're going to get a retest of this neckline and then a rejection lower. And to put it simply, I remain bearish below this 384, 385 level. When we get above this key horizontal trend line, then I will flip bullish, and I think you can load up the calls and long positions. But until we remain below this, that's when you have to be cautious, and I do think that it could lead to a little bit of a sell-off. And let me show you this potential bullish pattern that is unfolding or potentially developing. If you trigger this potential inverse head and shoulders pattern and get a breakout to the upside, that is the long signal. But again, the fact that we're still below this pattern has not triggered, and we are susceptible to going lower. Hopefully this analysis helps. We'll see you on the charts a little bit later. Please give that big like down below and comment if you agree or disagree. Cheers, everybody.